Okay guys, I will unboxing a package again. This package, I buy this from Tunas Jaya Electric, insect killer or lampu nyamuk UV. This package is good enough to packaging. This package is for me. Okay, let's open this and check the conditions. Good. Okay. This is the packages. From the box, condition is okay. Let's bring it out. Okay. Goodbye box. Thank you. This is Mitsui from serang 20 watt. Efficiency is type ME card CO2. Insect killer. Is the specification. UV. Okay about human. 20 wattage. Material like that. Quiet. Safety. For home, school, shop, restaurant, fabric, and market. Okay, let's open this. Okay, still locked. Good. Because that noise too much, mosquitoes in everywhere. So we must be buy things like this. Empty. Box is already empty. This is the things. Voila, perfect things. We got some books. Okay, stainless aluminum, no rust. Okay, stay away from the child. This is version what I buy. This is 40 wattage version. This is 20 wattage versions. The facade is like this. This is without hanger, but this is any hanger to hang it on. Okay. It's the conditions. Why they lock this? Because this is a tray to bring out the mosquitoes out too, like that. No need to open. This is QC pass. Okay. It's the cable. Now it's time to test. Wait. Okay, we have got this stack. Now we test. So this is the on off. Put it in the off first. Let's open the cable. Just open the cable. Put in here and turn it on. Voila! Oh, it's very shiny UV. Can you see it? From the two sides, this power is 20 wattage. Shut it on. Wow! Ooh. Amazing! This is a real neon glass. It's not LED. Perfect for calling the mosquitoes, and the mosquitoes will be electric shock in there, like that. So thank you for watching. Nice things.